Welcome to the Sunny Heat video tutorials. This tutorial is about standby. What is standby? In standby, the EcoControl thermostat switches off its display in order to save energy. Where can I set the standby? Standby can be set in the menu under General, Standby. What is the signal menu? There is a signal LED inside the EcoControl thermostat. The signal LED flashes at a certain interval to indicate that EcoControl is ready for operation. This interval can be set in the signal menu. By tapping the respective option, the signal LED flashes every 10 seconds, 40 seconds or never. 40 seconds are now selected. The selected value is marked with a tick. Pressing the back button once takes you back to the previous menu. What is the time menu? In the time menu, the time after which the EcoControl thermostat switches off its display and thus switches to standby can be set. The arrow buttons can be used to move one menu down, or one menu up. By tapping on the respective option, EcoControl switches to standby after 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds or never. 10 seconds are now selected. The selected value is marked with a tick. Pressing the back button several times takes you back to the main display. It is now set that the signal LED of EcoControl flashes every 40 seconds and EcoControl switches off its display after 10 seconds and switches to standby. To end standby, tap the EcoControl display for approximately 1 to 2 seconds. We have now come to the end of this tutorial. The Cree Systems team says thank you for listening. More information about Sunny Heat is available at sunnyheat.com.